Went on a road ride. Check out this machine. Did really good. Sort of. Anyway, I wanted to share my poncho.
Hi, Daddy.
See my poncho, baby? I've never used a poncho on a road ride before, but it works really well. I mean, as in better than normal, like rain clothes. Today I'm not trying to be aerodynamic. If I were, this would be a tragedy. Totally unrestricted under this poncho. Free movement. I'm warm, butt's dry, feet are dry, everything is just covered. The fenders, gotta get some of these guys on there. Keeps the rain off from the underside. And also, it's like a little headlight mount on the front wheel, like right at the axle. That helps get the lights off the handlebars, because this poncho pretty much takes up all that real estate. And then another thing is these boots. They're just straight up like gardening boots. But whatever, I'm just riding platforms today and totally keeps the rain out. No soggy pedal strokes or anything. Basically, so stoked right now. I don't have to sit on a trainer. I mean, not like I have to sit on a trainer, but it beats trying to get exercise indoors.